Okay, today we're going to talk about area of a circle. I remind you from yesterday we did circumference. Circumference is like perimeter outside of the circle. Area of a circle. If I have a circle, what part of the circle are we talking about when we talk about area? The inside. Okay? So when we talk about area, we're talking about the inside of the circle. Okay? The inside. The inside of the circle. So the inside part of this circle, that's the area, right? We're writing this down? Not going. Okay. So the formula for the area is equal to pi, which we talked about yesterday, multiplied by your radius squared. So area is equal to pi times r, which is radius, to the power of 2. So we're going to be dealing with exponents. It is easy. Now, we have to do this part first. The last thing you do is multiplied by pi. So first we're going to take the radius squared, Brandon, and then we're going to take and multiply it by 3.14. Okay, so that's your formula. So let's take a circle. Can you label the radius 5 inches? So how can you show me that this circle has a radius of 5 inches? Radius of 5. So hopefully, yes, you did a dot in the middle. Now, is it going to go through the whole circle or half a circle? Very good. So that's the first part. This is a radius, and we're going to do 5 inches. So the radius is 5 inches. What would be the diameter? Okay, good. Okay, so our formula says area is equal to pi times radius squared. What is the value of pi? What is the value of pi? So 3.14 multiplied by, what's our radius? 5 squared. Now, 5 squared, just to remind you, here's my thinking bubble. 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. So please don't think it's 5 times 2. It's not 10. Okay? Be very careful with that. So it's 3.14 times 25. How did I get 25? 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. Okay? So what's different about this in circumference? This part right here. It's like an extra step. Is it difficult? No. It's just a little bit more work. All right. So these we're going to do on paper, no calculator. It's good to practice some without a calculator. Practice your skills. Ivan, do you have an answer for this one? Okay. Okay, who wants to tell me their answer? Diego? Oh, no. Ismael? Okay, that's what I got. Did you add the 0 placeholder? Check your work. I showed my work here, so you can check your work. So first line is 1570. Second line is 6280 with the 0. Yes? No? We're good? Okay. Check your work. Check your work. Calculators down. They're not toys. Thanks. Okay, so who can actually tell me the final answer, including the units? Julio? Yes, ish. 78.50 inches square. I like how you added this square part. So when we're talking about area, your units have to have a square on it. Circumference, no square. Area, a square. Okay, are we so-so? Okay, let's try another one. Don't be scared. Be terrified.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Can you draw me a circle that has a radius of 3? Radius of 3. Draw me a circle that has a radius of 3. Radius of 3. So show me, yes, radius of 3. Good. Good. Love how you block your answers with your hands so I can't see it. Good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Good job. So hopefully you had a dot and a 3. Did I give you units yet? No. Let's do yards. Come on in. Welcome. Come on in. Come on in, Gio. All right.
I'm nervous.
Me too.
Judges.
Me too. It's okay. Just caught that on video. Okay, area is equal to, what was the formula? Who can remember without looking? Yes? 3.14 times 3. Okay, so pi r squared. If you say it really fast, you memorize it. Pi r squared. Pi's r squared. Pi's r squared. Yeah, I know. It's all right. So, pi is 3.14 times, what's my radius? Radius 3 squared. I should not hear 6. I understand why you're telling me 9, but I got to show all my steps. So, 3 squared is 9. Because, again, you're thinking it's 3 times 3 times 3.14. All right, let's do 3.14 times 9. It's yards.
It's just squared.
Okay. Jose, stop. Area is equal to 28.26 yards squared. Yes, we're okay with that? Okay, I'm going to give you a hard one. Draw me a circle that has a diameter of 20 centimeters. A diameter of 20 centimeters. Did we get that step correct? Okay. So, am I going to use the 20? No. I need the radius. What is the radius equal to? Divided by 2, so it equals 10. So area is equal to pi r squared. So 3.14 times, what's my radius? 10 squared. Ooh, what's 10 squared? What's 10 times 10? Very good. 100 times 3.14. What's her answer, guys? 314, actually. 314 centimeters squared. How many times do you move the decimal? 2 times because you're multiplying by 100. It's kind of like taking this number into a percent.